Are your broiler chicks not growing as fast as they should? Feeling that sinking dread as you see them lagging behind? Look, we've all been there. You followed the feeding schedule, kept the coop clean, but something's off. What if I told you you could turn that around and add significant weight in just 7 days? Are your broilers turning for weeks old but looking like they're still in week 2? It's frustrating when you're spending money on feed and seeing zero results. You're putting in the work and the birds aren't hitting their target weights. However, switching back to starter feed for weeks is generally not the best move. We're covering the top 3 hidden culprits and the immediate fixes. Stick around, because the last one is the game changer you're probably missing. Number 1 culprit: water quality. Alright, first up, water. It sounds basic, right? But 90% of health issues can stem from poor water quality. Stunted growth is a massive red flag. Are your waterers getting slimy? Are they placed too far from the feed? Chicks are lazy. If they have to walk too far, or the water tastes off, they'll drink less. Less water means less feed intake, and that's your growth bottleneck. Wash drinkers daily. Seriously. Scrub them. Ensure waterers are close to feeders, especially for the first week. Number 2 culprit: feed issues. This is where most people get it wrong. It's not just about what you feed, but how and when. Are you feeding a starter feed that's too low in protein? For broilers, you need at least 20 to 22% protein in the starter. If your chicks are already stunted, you might even need to bump that slightly or ensure they're getting the full nutrient profile. Double check that protein percentage. Don't skimp here. Freshness first: old feed loses nutrients. Buy in smaller, frequent batches. Are the feeders too high? Chicks need easy access. Lower them so they're at the birds' backs. And make sure the feed is spread out a bit initially so everyone gets a chance. Now, you might be thinking, what about supplements? That leads us to the absolute game changer. Before we fix the weight, we have to stop this leak. If your birds are stunted, it's usually one of 3 things. 1. Gut health: parasites or bad bacteria are stealing their nutrients. 2. Heat stress: if it's too hot, they drink water but don't eat. 3. Feed waste: are they billing out the best parts of the feed? Number 3 culprit: gut health. This is the one. If water and feed are okay, but growth is still stalled, you're looking at a gut health issue. A sick gut can't absorb nutrients, no matter how good the feed is. Think of it like this: your chicks have good food, but their internals factory is broken. We need to fix the factory floor, the gut lining. Add a good quality poultry-specific probiotic to their water or feed every other day, especially during the first few critical weeks. It repopulates their gut with good bacteria. Especially if they've been stressed, heat, transport, etc. Electrolytes help them rehydrate and bounce back faster, improving nutrient uptake. Use them for the first 2 to 3 days after any stress, and during those critical growth spurts. Combine these 3 fixes: clean water, optimized feed, and gut support, and you will see a difference. I've seen chicks gain a noticeable weight or more within a week when implementing this. Stop using starter feed after week 3. Your birds need their energy density found in grower pellets to actually pack on muscle. Starter builds the frame, grower builds the meat. Now, let's talk about our natural growth boosters. These aren't just folk remedies, they are scientifically backed. I'm going to show you how to hit the reset button on their growth. We aren't just talking about expensive chemicals. We're going back to nature using papaya leaves and Mexican sunflower. By the end of this video, you'll have a 7-day roadmap to transform your flock. The papaya leaf, the protein optimizer. Why it works: papaya leaves contain papain, an enzyme that breaks down protein. It helps your chickens actually digest 90% of the protein in their feed instead of pooping it out. It also acts as a natural dewormer. The Mexican sunflower, the immune and growth kick, known as Tithonia diversifolia. These leaves are incredibly high in crude protein and minerals. It acts as a natural antibiotic and appetite stimulant. It gets them hungry and keeps them healthy enough to grow fast. Here is how you prepare the growth tonic. 1. Harvest. Take 5 to 10 large, mature papaya leaves and a handful of Mexican sunflower leaves. 2. Process, chop them up and blend or pound them with a little water. 3. Strain, squeeze the mixture through a cloth or screen sieve to get the pure green juice. 4. Dosage, add 50 milliliters of this juice to every 1 liter of drinking water. The 7-day schedule, days 1 to 3, administer the juice in the morning water. Day 4, clean water only, rest day. Days 5 to 7, repeat the juice. Note, always prepare fresh juice daily. Do not leave it in the sun as it will ferment. While the juice works internally, you must fix the external. The midnight snack, give them 2 hours of light at night to encourage an extra feeding session. Ventilation, ensure fresh air is flowing. Ammonia buildup kills growth faster than anything else. Water temperature, if the water is hot, they won't drink the tonic. Keep it cool. Don't give up on your flock. Try this 7-day natural boost and watch those breasts fill out. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Let's get those weights up.